Hello everyone, welcome back to Bog's Kitchenette channel, and today's video we're going to cook stir-fried zucchini with sliced pork. We need here 1 piece of zucchini. We sliced our zucchini just like this. And we need here sliced pork. We need here also minced ginger, minced garlic, and 1 piece sliced red chili, bird's eye chili oil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix it, and set aside for at least 10 minutes. And after that, we're going to wash it. In a wok, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add a ginger. Add our pork. Add 1 teaspoon of bird's eye chili oil. Add the garlic and chili. Add a zucchini. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon or chicken powder. Add salt if needed. Add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, not in the video, I forgot to film it. Stir it for at least 30 seconds and done, and serve. I hope you like our recipe for today. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a good day. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye.